gonna be rocking like a hurricane here, fans, as you tune in to this unboxing and review by the Spin Master Monster Jam series of Hurricane Force, an independent truck, and this truck has never been released in a die-cast truck before, so this is gonna be really cool to have as a collector and to be able to play with it. It's also nice to have new trucks come in and be a part of the Monster Jam series. But here is also on the back of the box, we have Son of a Digger, then we have Monster Rottweiler, Scarlet Bandit, there's Gravedigger, Jester, King Crunch, and Max D, Maximum Destruction. And Hurricane Force is also in the Forces of Nature mini-series. So let's go ahead and we're going to unbox Hurricane Force. So Steve Thompson is the driver of Hurricane Force, and he also drives Earthshaker on the Monster Jam circuit. So here it is out of the box. We have a nice orange figure holding a steering wheel. Those are always nice. You also get a nice picture inside of Son of a Digger flying high at Sam Boyd Stadium, and also there is a list of trucks and everything. So if you've seen my other videos of Mix 2 so far, that I won't show you in this video. So on to the truck itself. There's a lot going on with the graphics on this truck of Hurricane Force. The team truck of Hurricane Force is Storm Damage. So this is the other truck, looking very nicely done. So there's really, let me bring it up so you can see a lot going on with like the map of a hurricane coming over the country or the city. In the front. Now, this is the first time I have ever seen a grill like that, and no stickers for the headlights. So it's probably because the truck is like that, the real truck. So we have some flames up top of the hood, a little bit of a line on top of the roof. Like the wheels that they picked out for Hurricane Force, goes along with the graphics of the truck. Bring it up closer. There we go. Don't want to mess with this truck. There's nothing on the tailgate except for the lights on either side. It's kind of hard because the lights are there. They're a little bit darker than the tailgate. So that is Hurricane Force coming at ya, an independent truck here in Mix 2 of the Spin Master Monster Jam series. So thank you for tuning in.